Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome everyone. So something a little bit different for this video, and I will have a talk at the end. when I first turned this down, I'd got that crack running all the way up one side and partially on the other side. So I applied some sanding sealer because I want to put some CA glue on, and if you don't put sanding sealer on first, it just stains the wood. And I had all that intention of burning the piece to some extent. I wasn't sure whether I was going to burn the whole piece like I've done with this, or whether I was just going to do the bottom. Because of that heat on there, it really brought out the cracks. And I could have probably filled those again, but I thought, right, what I'll do, I'll actually make an entire feature of it. And that's where I got the idea then of coming out with the Dremel and then really taking out those cracks totally to make an entire feature of it. That side has obviously gone all the way through because the crack was all the way down the inside. This other crack on the other side, it doesn't actually appear on the inside, which is why I've just cut it out a little bit on that side. Reburnt it again just to sort of try and give it all that charred edges, and it does just about show on the inside on the burn there. I didn't want to go with really like my last few videos in just a form of a vase. I do like the idea of some form of a lidded pot, even with those big holes down the sides. This also has a crack in it as well. You can just about see it there on the top, and it's slightly gone on the inside as well. And I wanted to try and give this a total different contrast to the outside. So I went for the chestnut spirit stains with the wood colours again. I think this was antique pine. And what I'm surprised about in actual fact is that when I applied the oil finish, it's not really changed the colour that much from what's inside. So it has given a slightly different tone, but not much at all. Finish wise, just used a single coat of tung oil on this, and it's really come up quite nice, and I've got to say, really pleased with that one. So it just goes to show, you start turning a piece of wood down, you get cracks in it. Yes, you can feel them and carry on, but sometimes it's actually worthwhile totally making an entire feature out of it. So it'd be interesting to hear your thoughts on this one, and thanks a lot for watching.